Hello, welcome to this lecture. In this lecture, I'm going to teach you how to install MySQL Workbench, which is a MySQL Workbench we're going to use to utilize as a GUI tool to access MySQL database server. We'll see how to install from MySQL site. Open the Google and just type MySQL here and hit enter. Now you'll see MySQL downloads. Click on MySQL downloads. Here you will observe it. Go to the down and here under the downloads MySQL Workbench. Click MySQL Workbench. Choose appropriately based on your version of operating system as well as architecture of your operating system. Whether it may be Microsoft Windows or Ubuntu Linux or Red Hat, Fedora, Mac OS, source code, which the version of a flavor you require, you choose appropriately here and choosing an installer from the source of which is available in the official site from MySQL and download it readily where you have to start the installation. Here for this session, I'm going to demonstrate you in using Windows Mission. So I'm going to selecting MySQL installer for Windows. Now see, this is the installer which is the flexible to comfortable to install x86 and 64-bit MSI installer, and it's a press the button of download here and it will initiate the start like downloading the file from the official site. See here, it's asking you to make it as a free account, or else you can just simply click here to no thanks, just to start download. Just click here and the download will automatically initiate. See now here, and anyhow have a downloaded the file, same file, so it's taking one more. Hit the click and cancel. Show the folder in the downloads where it is. On your system where you have downloaded the file, it will be displayed like the setup file of Windows installer. Now see, just simply as simple double click this file or else right click and open the file. It will initiate you the Windows installer. Now see here, welcome to the setup wizard for MySQL Workbench, that is 8.0, the latest version, and CE it indicates Community Center Edition. Community Center Edition, it is absolutely free, where you can install it and avail and use for the facilities which are available in MySQL Workbench to communicate the MySQL server, database server. Okay, this is the word it is initiating, it's showing that wizard. Now click next button and it show you the default path where it's going to be installing the files and which are the requirement libraries and all related to Workbench. See the path, it is the default path. I am choosing the same one only. Program files, MySQL Workbench 8.0. Click next. Here there is an option you will have in a two. One is complete installation and second one is custom. All the program features will be installed require most disk space for the complete. And whereas a custom, you have to choose. If you are an advanced user and you are familiar with the MySQL Workbench, which component you require to choose that particular component only if you want to use, then customize the setup where you want to select from the list of the all of. Where I am selecting here for complete, whichever I want to practice if any of the component, I am trying to installing and choosing complete installation to avail all the facilities which are available in Workbench. So select the complete, click next. Now see, review the changes of installation. What I have a selection of I have chosen here is in a complete and the path, and ready to install, click install here. Now see the installation wizard, it will be displayed and ask you the user as account control. Says just simply S. It's very simple and a small application only, and you have an observed, I think that is an around 34 MB of capacity of the file only. based on your computer system performance and the memory and the storage reliability. It won't take much time. So hardly take a few minutes only. It's completed. Setup has successfully installed MySQL Workbench 8.0. Launch MySQL Workbench. There is a tick mark is available here. Let it be the same and click finish. Once the installation is finished successfully, you will be get opened MySQL Workbench here. You will see now it will launching the program. Anyhow, it will launch. It's a depending of the launching of your system performance only. You find out it will take a few seconds only. Otherwise, there is another option. As usual, once the software package is installed successfully in your system, how you are going to open a file by pressing start button and going to the program files, or else there is a facility here. It is in a type to search, like finding the software package name to launching the setup, like launching the application where you have to click the button, like how it is means. If I press a type like just simply workbench, see MySQL workbench is displaying here. All right, now if you want to launch, it's taking some time, so I'm launching the software here, like workbench only. I'm typing here just simply. It's displaying here all the files. MySQL workbench 8.0 CE app. Or else there is a facility. Once you type, you have to press the type start button. There is a recently added software. It is displaying here. Otherwise, you have to drag this to down, and you will be listed here MySQL workbench over here. From the list, you check it here. W will see there is enough facility of workbench will be displayed here. Like, let me check. Yep, there is a MySQL new. It's showing. Expand it. Now see here MySQL Workbench 8.0. Click here and it will launch the application. Once I click the button MySQL, it will launch. Now see here. It's opening. It's taking launching time only. Create you. Once you have started the MySQL Workbench, it will show you this is the window. Basically, it will start on left panel. It will show you the management instances. What are the instances are available in your server, like database server, MySQL database server, and management enterprise, if any. And here it will be show you the schema parts, databases instances, how many you are created one by one. It will be displayed. This is the image representation I am showing you in a MySQL workbench. You start the MySQL once it is the installation is successfully completed in your server, in your computer mission, where you will get a complete like version of 8.0 you will be displayed. And the next lecture we'll see how to connect MySQL workbench to MySQL database, and how we are able to see the instances and all. Thank you for watching this session. Thank you.